Hey guys, Joseph Michael P here, and I found, is this thing recording? Okay, yeah. So it's recording. I literally found something special I found in my parents' basement, and it's an old, like, 80s, 90s camcorder. Like, whoa. And I'm recording this on my Canon PowerShot camera right now. But look at this! Yo! How does my parents still have this? They probably have not used this probably since the millennium. Dude, oh my goodness! This thing is so big! But nowadays, like, we got like a little thing we just carry in our hand all day, and we could just use that device for everything that we need. Look at this thing, Handycam. What decade was this thing from? Video XR, if you guys can see that. Like, whoa. I wonder how this thing turns on. I wonder how this thing turns on though. Like, look at this. This is so amazing, dude. The thing is, I don't even know how to use this thing because I'm only Gen Z. I don't know nothing but smartphones, okay? I wish I got to know more about the 90s stuff because, like, look at the technology. Look at this. Why did we replace this with the cell phone and AI and all that minimalism? Like, look at this. This is so cool. It's like I time traveled 30 years or something. Yo, I hope that I get to figure out how to use this and actually use this one day, because this would actually be amazing.
Oh my goodness, everybody. This is me. I have no clue. I can't even believe I'm holding this right now. I don't think anybody my generation is meant to ever use this camcorder. This is so cool. I could just, I mean, I'm just so speechless, man. I am so satisfied with this.